Hey there! Today we'll dive into the world of digital detoxing. In a world filled with constant connectivity and digital distractions, finding moments of peace and tranquility can be a challenge. That's where digital detox retreats in nature come to the rescue. These retreats offer a unique opportunity to unplug from technology, recharge your soul, and reconnect with the nature. So let's get started and dive into the world of digital detoxing. 1. The art of disconnecting. Digital detox retreats help you to have a break from technology. From smartphones to laptops, these retreats encourage you to leave your gadgets behind and immerse yourself in the simplicity of life without constant screens and notifications. 2. Natural sanctuary. Picture yourself surrounded by lush forests, serene lakes, or majestic mountains. Digital detox retreats are often set in idyllic natural settings, providing a place where you can escape from modern life and enjoy from the beauty of nature. 3. Mindfulness and meditation. Without the distractions of technology, you'll have the space and time to practice mindfulness and meditation. Guided by experienced instructors, you'll learn to be fully present in the moment, fostering a sense of calm and self-awareness. 4. Reconnecting with others. Digital detox retreats encourage genuine human connections. With technology out of the picture, you'll have the opportunity to engage in meaningful conversations, form deep connections, and strengthen bonds with fellow retreat participants. 5. Nourishing activities. Instead of scrolling through social media, you'll be engaged in nourishing activities that feed your soul. From nature walks and yoga sessions to creative workshops and journaling, these retreats provide an array of enriching experiences. 6. Unwinding and recharging. A digital detox retreat is the perfect remedy for burnout and stress. Let go of deadlines and responsibilities and give yourself permission to relax and recharge. Embrace the slow pace of nature and feel the weight of the digital world lift off your shoulders. 7. Mindful eating. Digital detox retreats often emphasize mindful eating. Relish in the pleasure of savoring wholesome meals made from locally sourced ingredients. You'll find that dining without distractions enhances your enjoyment of food and fosters a deeper connection to your body's needs. 8. Stargazing and connecting with the cosmos. Without city lights or screens to obstruct the view, digital detox retreats offer breathtaking stargazing opportunities. Marvel at the night sky and rediscover the wonder of the cosmos. 9. Creativity and reflection. Detaching from technology can ignite your creativity and spur moments of introspection. Whether you're capturing the beauty of nature through art or journaling your thoughts, you may find new ways to express yourself and new ideas. So there you had it. Unplugging and reconnecting in nature through digital detox retreats is a powerful way to restore balance and harmony in your life. These retreats provide a much-needed pause from the digital noise, allowing you to focus on what truly matters: your well-being, personal growth, and connection to the natural world. Thank you for joining us on this journey of unplugging and reconnecting. Until next time, take a step back from the digital world and embrace the beauty of the present moment.